What's in your book? Trucks? Yeah. What kind of truck do you see? What is it? That's kind of like a fire truck. What does it say? What is the fire truck? Oh, what's that one? Garbage truck. Yeah, garbage. Yep, gets the garbage. What about this one? Do you remember what that one's for?
No.
Yes, it is for the nose, which is the way we say snow, huh? That's the snow plow. What's that truck? What kind of truck? A dump truck, you're right. Mm-hmm. Yep, it dumps stuff, huh? Do you have a dump truck? Yeah, you do. Tractor. Yeah. Is the other one a loader? Yeah. Kind of. Whoa, what is that one? Is that the fire truck? What does the fire truck say? You see the ambulance? Yeah, what does the ambulance say? Where's the digger? Digger. Yeah. What about... Oh, what's that one? What's this one? Mail truck. Bulldozer. Mm-hmm. Can you say bulldozer again? Bulldozer. Tow truck. Mm-hmm. Tow truck. What's the next one? What's this? Fire truck. It's another one. What does it say? And one of our favorites. What's that one? What is